smart.
I am smart.
Not me. Don't look at me. You look in the mirror. You're telling yourself. I am smart.
I am smart.
I am strong.
I am strong.
Pull that mirror out a bit more so you can see fully your face. I am strong.
I am strong.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am handsome.
I am handsome.
I am good.
I am good.
I'm fantastic.
I'm fantastic.
I am wonderful.
I'm wonderful.
Look in the mirror. Don't be distracted. I am a leader.
I am a leader.
I am a listener.
I am a listener.
I am a son of God.
I am a son of God.
Excellent job. Give him a hand. Excellent. There you go. Don't leave yet. Let me see your list. Okay. Ready? I am beautiful.
I am beautiful.
I am enough.
I am enough.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am intelligent.
I am intelligent.
I believe in me.
I believe in me.
I am loving.
I am loving.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am talented.
I am talented.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I am courageous.
I am courageous.
I am a child of God.
I am a child of God.
Yes. Woo, I love that. Give her a hand. These are great affirmations, ladies and gents. Ready, Sachel? I am wonderful.
I am wonderful.
I am cute.
I am cute.
Keep your eyes on you, okay? Not me. I am not ugly.
I'm not ugly.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am loving.
I am loving.
Put your mirror out just a bit. I am a superstar.
I am a superstar.
You gotta sound convincing, honey. I need some strong passion in your voice, okay? Let's start that over because these are all true, okay? Ready? I am wonderful.
I am wonderful.
God. I am cute.
I am cute.
I'm not ugly.
I'm not ugly.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am loving.
I am loving.
I'm a superstar.
I am a superstar.
I am Okay, so we're going to reword this. I am worthy.
I am worthy.
Let's say that again. Look at yourself. I am worthy.
I am worthy.
I am smart.
I am smart.
And last, I'm going to add this. I am loved by God.
I am loved by God.
Good job. Give her a hand. You ready? Okay. Looking in the mirror. I am blessed.
I am blessed.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I am wise.
I am wise.
I am beautiful. I am worthy.
I am worthy.
I'm worthy of good.
I'm worthy of good.
I am pretty.
I am pretty.
I matter.
I am loved.
I'm a superstar.
I'm a superstar.
I love myself.
I love myself.
I am wonderful.
I am wonderful.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I'm not ugly.
I'm not ugly.
I have the ability to be good.
I have the ability to be good.
And I am good.
And I am good.
I believe in me.
I believe in me.
I am obedient.
I am obedient.
I am charitable.
I am charitable.
I am careful.
I am careful.
I am attractive.
I am attractive.
I am biblical.
I am biblical.
I am loved by God.
I am loved by God.
Good job. Give her a hand. Okay. No, I can understand it. Okay. I need you to hold it up. Hold it up for yourself. Ready? I am smart.
I am smart.
I need you to be convincing, okay? Because you're talking about you, and that's super important, okay? Never walk directly in front of a speaker. Always find a way behind them, okay? Ready? I am smart.
I am smart.
You can't convince me with that. I am smart.
I am smart.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am beautiful.
I am beautiful.
I am merciful.
I am merciful.
That's so important. I am healthy.
I am healthy.
Yes. I'm a child of God.
I am a child of God.
I love myself.
I love myself.
I am respectful.
I am respectful.
Okay, I need you to put some passion into it because you're not convincing me. You're simply just saying the words. I am respectful. But I need you to show me that you believe in what you're saying about you. You see what I'm saying? So I need you to put some passion in it. Convince me that this is a list that you wrote for you and you want to empower you. This is supposed to be empowering. But you're saying, I am smart, I am kind. That doesn't do anything for you. It's not even about me, it's for you. Okay? Let's start over, ladies. No talking. Let's respect her moment, okay? You ready? Give me some passion, okay? Because you deserve this. Ready? I am smart.
I am smart.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I am beautiful.
I am beautiful.
I am merciful.
I am merciful.
I am healthy.
I am healthy.
I'm a child of God. Put some emphasis on that.
Child of God.
Good. I love myself.
I love myself.
Yes. I am respectful.
I am respectful.
I am the best version of me.
I am the best version of me.
I am clean.
I am clean.
I am neat.
I am neat.
I am quiet,
I am quiet.
but super important.
Super important.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I am caring.
I am caring.
I am gentle.
I am gentle.
I matter.
I matter.
Look at yourself. I matter.
I matter.
Good job. Give her a hand. Okay. Everyone hold up your mirror, please. Looking at yourself with conviction. I need to hear it. I love myself.
I love myself.
God loves me.
God loves me.
Therefore, I will be the best version of myself.
Therefore, I will be the best version of myself.
Let's do it again. Therefore, I will be the best version of myself.
Therefore, I will be the best version of myself.
And finally, I rock.
I rock.
Let's hear it with an attitude. I rock.
I rock.
Good job. Give them a hand.